Okay, once you have done that, then you can now compute for the cost per room. Now, one thing you can do is you can hide this by clicking on the top. When you see this arrow right here, right click and say hide. So there are different options that you can do to all the cells. You can delete the cell, you can insert a column, delete a column, insert a column, format it. But one of the options that you can do is hide. So you don't want to see that square millimeter values, right? So we'll just hide that. And notice that here we have hidden column C. Okay? If you want to unhide it, you can always do a stretch of the column. Or if I hide this, you can also select the two columns, B and D, so you'll get the C in between, right click and unhide. So those are the ways you can hide and unhide a column. Same token, you can also do that for rows. So you can hide rows and unhide the rows as well. Okay, now that we don't see the square millimeter, we can now start our formula by saying equal sign cost per square meter multiplied, so you use the asterisk symbol, multiply that with the value in square meter. Enter. So you get the cost per square meter of each of the rooms. So copy this, Control C, bring it down, hold down the Shift key, okay, and then hit enter. So those are the different costs of each of the rooms. Now from here, you can simply add all of this. Now you don't say add one cell and then the next cell. You can do that, right? Equal symbol and then plus the next cell. The faster way of doing this is using the auto sum. Okay, so under home, auto sum, click on auto sum and it will select the range. So E3, so summize E3 to E25, enter, and you get the value of the cost of all of the different rooms. So that's your total room area and, total room cost. And you can also use an auto sum for all the areas in your room. So that's the total area for each of the rooms. Now, you don't want to add all of this. It actually is not meaningful because if you add all of this, this is the cost per room, right? So it doesn't have any meaning if you add all of this. This one does. It gives you the total area, net area, and this one gives you the total cost. Okay? So again, after completing the table, you can use the auto sum function.